In this video, we're going to be interviewing my client Tenzin, who jumped in the program, went from 0 to his first 12K month within his first 90 days. He talks about a lot of different things in this video, including his process, the struggles that he went through, and the things that he did to overcome things like ungating and not being able to find his first set of products. Drops a lot of gems in this interview. I'm excited for you guys to hear it. Let's get into it.
I've been wanting to start online business from a long time ago. I tried drop shipping, it didn't work for me. I tried like Etsy, it didn't work for me. And I found YouTube, like there's people selling on Amazon. I didn't know like until I searched on YouTube. And I found like a lot of gurus that are selling, like they teach how to sell on Amazon. It seemed easy, like Amazon, like all you gotta do is like you go to the store and like find online. Yeah, that's how I got into like Amazon business.
When you say you tried drop shipping, tried Etsy, tried a couple other things, did you find that Amazon was just way more simple? Because
Yeah,
I tried drop shipping before I tried Amazon, and I was like, this is way too complicated. Like I have no idea what to do, how to build websites, how to get traffic, how to run ads, how to do all that
right.
stuff.
Yeah. Amazon is way easier than drop shipping and Etsy.
I wouldn't say it's easy. I would say it's simple.
Yeah,
Way simple.
yeah. Simple.
Yeah.
Yeah. Right,
Yeah,
right.
we got to be careful because then people come in and they're like, "You said it was going to be easy," and it's like, "No, it's simple." But
Yeah, it's simple. It's
it's
simple.
still a
Simple.
business.
Yeah.
It still requires work and all that stuff. But what made you want to join the Wholesale Underground specifically? Because you said you came on to YouTube and there was a bunch of people talking about it. So what made you join my program over everybody else's?
Well, so I was in a different mentorship program before. They were so expensive. Like, it was around like 4K or something. And then I was looking into like where is a mentorship program, and then I saw your YouTube channel on the YouTube. The way you explain and everything is like really, clean, and like it's really understandable. The way you explain and everything is like, oh, I need to get into his mentorship program, and then I started to reach out to you, and then that's how it happened.
Yeah, I get that a lot. I get that that whole like you explain everything very simple, and it's like
Yeah,
that's I have to explain it that way because it's like that's how I learn and I understand. There's been so many things that I'm like I wanted to try, this thing or that thing, but it's like whenever you try to look into it, everything seems so complicated that it
right.
makes it like hard for you to jump into it because it's like I don't understand it at all. But if I
Yeah,
can make it so simple and like that's how I learned, it's like I'm more willing to jump into that business model because it's
right.
like it seems like there's nothing to it.
Yeah, and then your course is like really reasonable price. Like everyone can afford it. It's not that expensive at all. So I was really happy like what I joined your program, like because I made a really good decision to like determine the other subscription, because when I started your course I have noticed like you have a long modules, and I was like, oh, that's definitely for me, like so like and then I started learning. Like it probably took me like 3 weeks to finish your modules to because you have a really long modules, and then I was really happy like I could literally learn every single modules. The only thing I haven't watched is the wholesale one, because I wanted to start with the retail arbitrage and online arbitrage.
Yeah, and that's the kind of the way we structure it. It's like there's a lot of information, but it's like
Yeah,
just consume the information that you need right now. Because
yeah,
sometimes it's like so much information that you're like, well, I don't know what to do.
mm.
But did you say you were looking into another mentorship program or you were already in another mentorship program?
I was in another mentorship program because I realized that the mentorship program was so expensive, and I talked to my family, and then they were telling me like, oh, that this is really expensive. You should definitely like determine it. So I decided to determine it.
So where are your current sales right now? What's your last like 30 days look like or your highest 30 days since you've joined?
So my highest sale would be like 10K, and then right now it's like 12, around like 12.
12K. And I think in the group you posted it took you 2 months to do that, right?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, that's really fast growth. I'm assuming like you had some struggles that everybody else struggles with because there's a lot of things going on with Amazon that everybody's always like, oh, gating this or Amazon this or whatever. But you started in the exact same time that people are complaining about those things with the ungating and all that stuff. And I think you mentioned that in your post. So
Yeah.
did you deal with any of that stuff? Did you deal with brands being gated? Did you deal with all of those things while you were trying to build your business?
Yes, I did. I did a lot. Yeah, I was restricted to a lot of brands like Nike, Puma, Adidas, Lego. Those are the big brands that I'm restricted to. But there's like tons of other brand that you can also like sell on Amazon. I didn't know that. and then I started like trying to ungate, even though like so what I have experience doing quarter four was there was one essence that sounded really good. I could apply an application, but when I applied an application, Amazon accepted. Like I got approved. I could sell this product, but when I tried to list the product, I got restricted. That's how I know. Like I didn't know Amazon could restrict it, even though you can list it. So yeah, that's how it happens. Like, and had a lot of, I ordered a lot of bunch of like different online products to ungate it, and then when I tried to list it, I'm restricted. So I could, like, I had to return all of it. But the good thing is, there are some brands that those are spending like 10K a month, and I went to like all of them are retail arbitrage. That's the good thing. So I have my Keepa and Sellerboard on my phone, so I could always look it up, like how many monthly sales are going on, and like how many offer counts, and like so. Yeah, I bought it all and then like flip it on Amazon. That's how it happens.
Did you notice that once you started making some sales, ungating got easier or things were
Yeah,
auto
yeah, definitely, definitely. Yeah, I always try to the request approval, and then like there are some brands that I'm like auto ungated to getting
That's what
sales.
I'm trying to get everybody to understand. It's like it just seems like this right now. It's like just get some sales. Like just get some sales. So
Right, right, right.
how did you get those first sales? So if you're gated in all of these bigger brands, did you start
Mhm.
looking into smaller brands or did you just scan anything and everything or what kind of was your strategy that got you? Because I mean if you're dealing with all these same restrictions that everybody else says they can't
Mhm.
even get one sale, you just got 12K in sales.
Yeah.
So kind of what was your strategy to find things that were ungated for you and then kind of where did you go from there to get to that 12K?
So I went for a white first. I was scanning like different brands, and then I was looking for a profitable product first, and then try to ungate later. There was one brand that I could apply an application. I got approved, and then this is that brand is selling like the particular essence is selling like 600 a month, and then I found a profitable product on my retail outlet store that I went to, and then I tried it like three different type of variation, and then the next day I got sales like I think six, yeah, it was like six, it was like six shoes that I got sales, and then I double it down, and then it keeps coming up. Like, and I had to go to the local store again and then bought it all, and I like 10 different type of shoes, and then the sales keep coming up. So I just have to like double it down. All I have to do is double it down.
Hopefully everybody understands it because I know I've been saying it like in every interview. It's like
Mhm.
just get some sales. Things are going to get easier. Just find one brand and then look up for more products in that one brand, and then things are going to get easier and easier. Tenzin, do you go to school? Do you work? Or like what's like kind of your background?
So I go to school and I also go to work. Right now I'm taking a little break from school right now.
Okay, but
Yeah,
you go to school. You have a job.
yep,
What I'm trying to get at is like you're able to still make this business work even though you have a busy schedule. But what I
yeah,
like is that you started this business, you saw that things were gated, you saw that oh I can't sell this and I can't sell that, and you ran into the same exact problems that everybody else ran into, but you just kept going, right? And it's like
yeah.
when we talk about like mindset and the importance of mindset, it's like that's the biggest thing. It's like if you just keep showing up, it's like at some point it's going to work out, right? And it's like it's not even that long. I mean, it took you 2 months to get to 12K from zero, from
Right.
not knowing.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
have never had experience on this Amazon business at all.
How far do you think, or how much harder do you think it would have been if you never joined the program, if you just tried to do it all off of YouTube?
I don't think I could reach 10K. Like there's YouTube, like they don't show you like in depth, they just show you like little wide. In your course you explain in depth and like everything. Like if you have any problem, you just go to like your modules and then look it up. Like that's what I did. Like if I have any like issue with the online advertise with the manufacturer margin, I would just go back to your modules and then see again. Like if I wanted to use a gift card, I would just go to your modules and then recap like what gift card website should I use. Like so there's like a lot of gift card like card cookie and a card bearer and everything. I would just go back and watch and then I would just implement again. that's what I did.
Yeah, and then plus you had access to me, to the
Yeah.
mentorship, right? So
Yeah, right. You helped me a lot. Like I will always DM you, and then you always like reply me right away. So yeah,
yeah,
that's helped me a lot.
that's one thing that I think is like YouTube is great. Like I try to make my videos like as valuable as I possibly can, but they're 10, 20-minute videos, right? So they're just little pieces of the puzzle, and it's like it's not the whole path, right?
Hmm.
Not like when you have, okay, like we have, I don't even know how many hours of course content, but you have literally everything. Like you've said it multiple times, like there's so much details in there. And it's
Yeah.
because I'm like, if I'm going to sell you a product, it's like I need to know that this product is the best that it could possibly be. So I include all of the information. It's like when you need this information, okay, go here. Go when you need to learn wholesale, go to the wholesale module. When you need to learn how to work with brands, go to the work with brands module section. Distributors, arbitrage, retail, online, ungating, all of that stuff. But it's because it has everything that you need. So where YouTube and free content is just like this piece and this piece and this piece, it's like, well, the program is the entire path that you need to walk. And then you have
Right.
access to mentorship, which it's like I respond every single day. So it's like, it's just now you can go down the path even faster because you have somebody that you can always ask questions to. One thing that I wanted to ask you was that I'm assuming you made mistakes along the way, right? So it's like, what kind of mistakes can you kind of share with us that somebody new can maybe avoid because you've already made that mistake?
So the first mistake that I've made was not putting the shipping cost. So when you get sales, you don't know like so at first I didn't know what I was doing. Like I was just scanning and then it seems like profitable product, but I didn't know I was putting FBM shipping cost on there. So I bought a product and then when I got a sales, I was like, oh, I got a profitable product, and then I didn't know, I didn't put the shipping codes, and then I lost like a couple bucks, like on my first sales, and then I learned it. I made a mistake, right? And then so I started putting FPM shipping codes. That was the first mistake that I've made.
That's why I always like you guys to start with arbitrage too, because it's like, well, you can make those mistakes, and if it happens, you can just return it, right? But
You're right.
imagine if that was like a $2,000, $3,000, $5,000, $10,000 wholesale order, then you're gonna be like, well, now what do I do? You know
I
what I
know.
mean? So it's like it's always better to make those cheap mistakes, lower your risk,
You're
and
right.
then we go into those big boy orders and we can scale much faster when we really know what we're doing. I was going to ask you, so you grew really fast, 0 to 12K in 2 months. What
Hmm.
kind of advice would you give somebody if they could focus on like one or two things? Like this is what took Tenzin to 12K. Was it your mindset? Was it your specific way you source? Was it the things that you focus on? Kind of give like the people starting out like some advice.
Okay, so I would say the first thing you need to have a mindset that I'm gonna make it work, and then just keep grinding. Testing is really important. So I tried like testing different type of variations, and I was if the one specific brand is selling really good, I would just double it down.
I think the mindset is so important. I can always tell like who has that mindset. It's usually the people on this call because it's like I told you earlier, it's like you ran into the same issues that everybody does, which is like, oh, I'm gated in all of these things, and then you bought a bunch of products and you could not sell them, so you had to return them, and you could have easily went like, this doesn't work. Like everybody was right. Like you start complaining and this and that, and then you just give up. But it's like, oh, okay, like we just kind of ran into an obstacle, and then we're just going to pivot and we're going to keep going, and then now you're here and you are newer, right? But it's like you have a lot of experience that you've gained over the last 2 months that people who are just starting out where you were 2 months ago, it's like they can hear that advice and they be like, okay, Tenzin said this, let me focus on this, let me avoid this, and then they can grow just as fast as you. Is it safe to say that you recommend the course for somebody starting out?
Oh yeah, definitely. Yeah, it's definitely worth it. It's a reasonable price. You will see a lot of like in-depth explanation. So yeah, I'm happy that I joined your course, and then yeah, it's worth it, you know. So I would definitely recommend Marvin's course. Yeah.
Now, if you're tired of being on the YouTube hamster wheel, endlessly going from video to video day after day, but your business is not growing at the rate that you'd like, and you're probably wondering to yourself, how are people even making this work? I want you to click on that first link in the description. That's my one-on-one mentorship program where you're going to receive the exact program, mentorship, resources, and community, just like all of my successful clients have received. Guys, there's nothing wrong with trying to do things on your own, but if you want to streamline the process and time collapse your learning curve, getting into a mentorship program is honestly a no-brainer. Like, look, this is Dolly. Dolly spent 6 months trying to sell on Amazon, and in those 6 months, her total lifetime sales were 10K. She jumped into the mentorship program, and within 45 days, she hit her first 10K month. This is Mark. Mark also tried to do this business by himself for months and months at a time, and he got up to like 2 or 3K a month. Within 14 weeks of being in the program, he went from 2 to 3K to his first 40K month within 14 weeks. And that's just a couple. Like, I have hundreds of testimonials. This is Heber. He went from 0 to his first 22K month in 85 days. This is Jose, who went from 0 to his first 53K month in 16 weeks. This is Aaron and Kyle, who went from 0 to their first 20K month. We had them up on the channel, and then they recently hit their first 50K month, and now they're doing even bigger numbers than that. We also have clients like Izzy, who bet on himself, took a chance, jumped into the program, and built a $2.6 million per year business. So it all comes down to how much you value your time. Do you want to figure this business out and stumble your way across it, making a ton of costly mistakes, and maybe, 18, 24 months down the road, you kind of have a good idea how to run this business? Or do you want to be squared away and know exactly what you need to do within the next 90 days? That's the question you got to ask yourself. And if you're one of those people who do value your time and you're tired of being on the YouTube hamster wheel, wondering how people are even making this happen, I want you to click that first link in the description. Like I said, that's my one-on-one mentorship program. And this is true one-on-one mentorship. You will only ever work with me. And I'm not going to just throw you into a Facebook group for you to fend for yourself. I'm also not going to throw you into a busy group call where your questions just kind of get glossed over because there's so many people who need your attention. This is true one-on-one mentorship where you're going to be working with me directly. So if you guys are interested in that, first link in the description. Appreciate you guys watching, and I will see you in the next one.